today. We're doing a lot, yeah, it's gonna be hard. As you can see, I'm already sweating. I haven't even done nothing yet. I'm already sweating, fam. so obviously we finished the workout. It was a big workout, yeah. Listen, man was sweating, it was pain, but it's good. Obviously, pain is the road to success, and that's where we're going. So yeah, listen, follow the workouts, yeah. Like this video, leave a comment, let me know what workouts you want to see us do. Yeah, hopefully Toby will be involved in one of the videos. What do you think, Toby?
Not happening.
Toby don't want to be in the videos. Listen, you lot need to write in the comment section, we want Toby in the videos, blood. Yeah? Because Toby's here, he's doing the workouts with us, but he's behind the scenes, yeah? I want to say big up to Melvin, yeah? Man like Melvin, yeah? Because obviously, he came a long way. We was late, I was late, and he was here early, bruv. And he gave me an earful, yeah? Gave me an earful. But anyway, listen, big boy back workout today. Watch out for more workout videos on the channel. Like this video, leave a comment, and we out. Power, obviously, ambitionsofpower.com. Make sure you go there, www.ambitionsofpower.com. Make sure you go there, cop the gear, yeah?